I didn't notice it. My daughter did, and she said, "You need to get your hearing checked." And I said, "No, I don't." Listening to the television, music, conversations at church, everything was muted. I very reluctantly came in to Dr. Maxwell, and he said, "I'm sorry, but your daughter's right. You need to get your hearing checked." And I did. And my hearing improved immensely with hearing aids. Advanced hearing has been very good for me. They are always very helpful, very friendly. I can come in here anytime that I need help. If I want to get my hearing aids cleaned, I can come in here anytime and they'll clean them. And they have been excellent.